In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace, how to connect a GoDaddy domain. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Squarespace site open and a domain registered with GoDaddy. We're going to connect the domain so that your Squarespace site shows when people visit your custom URL. This process links the domain to Squarespace and sets up DNS automatically so you don't have to edit records by hand. Start in your Squarespace site and go to the Domains panel. This is where all domain connections and settings live. Choose the option that says Use a domain I own. In the field that appears, type your full domain name exactly as it's registered at GoDaddy, then click Connect Domain. Take a moment to double check for typos here. An extra character can cause delays later. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your provider. From the list, select GoDaddy, then click Connect Domain again. Selecting the right provider tells Squarespace how to talk to your registrar and prepares the automatic DNS setup that comes next. A pop-up window will open prompting you to sign into your GoDaddy account. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow it for Squarespace just for this step. Sign in to the GoDaddy account that owns the domain you entered. If you manage multiple domains or accounts, verify you're in the correct one before authorizing. Once signed in, you'll see a prompt to connect. Click Connect in the GoDaddy pop-up to approve the changes. This gives Squarespace permission to create and update the required DNS records, typically the A and C name records, so your domain points to your Squarespace site automatically. You won't need to copy or paste anything. It's handled behind the scenes. Return to Squarespace and click Continue. You'll notice the domain status shows connecting in your DNS settings. That's normal. DNS changes need time to propagate across the internet. In many cases, this happens within minutes, but it can take a few hours and occasionally up to 24 hours, depending on your provider and location. During this period, avoid making additional DNS edits in GoDaddy, as that can interrupt the automated setup. A couple of tips while you wait. Keep your browser tab open so you can refresh the domains panel and check status. Once the connection completes, Squarespace will also provision SSL automatically so your site loads securely over HTTPS. If you still see connecting after a reasonable time, sign out and back in, or clear your cache and check again. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Squarespace site.